Welcome back to our channel. After a well-deserved holiday, we're excited to continue working on our restoration project. For those of you who are new here, we're Case and Maynard, and together we're restoring a 1967 Ford Mustang, a true classic that we want to bring back to its former glory. Before our break, you saw us replace several rusty sections of the body with fresh sheet metal. That was quite a challenge, but we're happy with the progress so far. And today, we're picking up right where we left off because there's still a lot to do before this Mustang can hit the road again. In this episode, we'll take you step by step through the next stage of the restoration, sharing our process, the progress, and of course the challenges we faced along the way. As you know, restoration doesn't always go smoothly, but that's exactly what makes this journey worth sharing. We hope you enjoy watching as much as we enjoy working on this car. Over the coming weeks, we'll take you along with us on this special project. So if you like what you see, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment to let us know what you think of the build so far. Now let's get back to work. Enjoy the video. In today's episode, we're focusing on one of the more challenging parts of the restoration, repairing the rust in the rear frame section of the Mustang. Over the years, moisture and dirt have caused parts of the frame to corrode, and if we want this car to be strong and safe again, those sections have to go. The first step is to carefully cut out all the rusty metal. We take our time here because it's important to remove everything that's weakened without cutting away more than necessary. Once the bad sections are out, we create a template or a cardboard pattern. This gives us the exact shape and size we need for the replacement panel. With that pattern, we can then form a new piece of sheet metal, shaping it so it matches the original contour of the frame. This new section is then welded back into place, fully integrating it with the surrounding structure. After welding, we grind down the seams so everything looks smooth and original, as if the repair was never there. Finally, we apply a coat of protective primer. This not only seals the metal against future rust, but also prepares it for the next stages of the build. It's a time-consuming process, but it's essential for making sure the Mustang's frame is strong, solid, and ready for the road again.
Leave it till the whole get.
Next week, we'll be moving on to another important part of the Mustang structure, the frame section in the trunk area where the fuel tank sits. Just like the rear frame rails, this section has suffered from rust over the years and needs to be replaced to ensure safety and strength. We'll start by removing the corroded metal and cleaning up the area. Then we'll prepare fresh sheet metal sections that match the original design. Once everything fits properly, we'll weld the new panels into place, grind down the welds for a clean finish, and protect the repairs with primer. It's another crucial step in bringing this Mustang back to life, and we can't wait to share the process with you in the next episode.